This video is regarding how I got around to tidying up my Docker desktop with PowerShell scripts. I didn't start off this way, but this is what happened. Typically, I've multiple containers running on my PC at home. Here you can see I've got Nginx, Nextcloud, and this VS Code project. VS Code project is actually Supabase and all the affected tools, which, as you can see here, are sitting there as a bunch of containers. These containers are made of a whole bunch of images. And some of the images have volumes. This is where data is persisted. Now, it's entirely possible that you get to a situation where you've got multiple applications running in Docker and you only want to delete some. So what I've done today is I've written a PowerShell script that actually selectively deletes items that you want to delete. Here it is, Docker cleanup selective.ps1. If I run it, it will give you a list of the containers that are running. You can see the container's got the name, an ID, what its image is called, and any volumes, if any. As you can see there, here's some volumes. There's a volume there against Nextcloud. So let's see what happens. We need to delete by number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the last one. This then gives you a list of the containers you're going to delete, your associated images, and any volumes that might have to delete. And asks if you want to proceed. Yes, I do. Thank you very much. And off it goes, and it will run through this, and then selectively delete just the Supabase stuff. So we should be left with Nginx and Nextcloud still running. So let's go back to Docker, and here you can see we've got the two Nginx and Cloud running. We've only got Nextcloud and Nginx in there, and we've only got one volume. So that worked perfectly. The script's cleaned out exactly what they said, and you can go back and you can check it if you want. It's all in there. I've saved these scripts up to GitHub, and they're there if anyone wants them. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Thanks, bye.